We'll guide you through how to set up your Wix email domain. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix account dashboard and navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand side. Here, you'll want to find and click on Wix Email Marketing or Business Email, depending on your subscription. Once there, click on Get Started to initiate the setup process. You'll be prompted to choose a domain associated with your Wix site. If you don't have a domain yet, you'll need to purchase one through Wix or connect an existing domain you own. After selecting your domain, click Next to proceed. Now, you'll see options to choose an email plan. If you're just starting, you might want to select a basic plan, but if you need more features, consider a premium plan. Once you've selected your plan, click Continue to proceed to the checkout. After completing the purchase, Wix will guide you through the setup process. You'll need to create a new email address. Enter the desired username and choose your domain from the drop-down menu. Then click Next. Wix may prompt you to verify your domain if it's not already verified. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step, which might involve adding some DNS records to your domain settings. After verification, your new email address will be ready to use. You can access your email through the Wix dashboard or by logging into the email provider Wix partners with, like Google Workspace or Office 365, depending on your choice. This integration allows you to send and receive emails seamlessly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.